Lien has been defined as the title of government servant to hold substantively other immediately or on the tenure minutes of a period or periods of absence a permanent post including a tenure post to which he has been appointed substantively. And confirmed government servant acquires a lien. His right of not to be renewed is called lien. One government servant can have lien on only one post acquiring lien. A government servant on substantive appointment to a permanent post acquires a lien on that post any lease to hold any lien acquired on other post. Confirmation of a government servant is tantamount to acquiring a lien on that post. Receipts. If a claim is relinquished, the value of if the money due to government has actually reached to government servant and it may not have reached the treasury officer, then it should be brought as receipt in the consolidated fund. Building, land, stores and equipment losses or deficiencies need not be recorded under a separate head in account. They should be written off any value or commercial account that may contain cash in hand, where treasury or in departmental charges. All losses or deficiencies should be recorded under separate head in the account. Irregular or unusual payment should be recorded in the accounts with general reference to the ordinary rule of classification according to the nature of expenditure. Inevitable losses. When losses are inevitable, tentative of working of a particular department, the major head of account under which the expenditure of that department is recorded shall certain of descriptive heads of losses recorded. The term recovery means repayment of another department or an outside body or person expenditure initially borne by a government department recorded as such in its accounts. Recoveries from private persons or bodies and government outside India. Such recoveries as a general rule to be treated as a revenue and not as deduction from expenditure. Recoveries by one government from another as the between two or more governments. The recoveries by one department from another department of the same government. While performing the duties of that post, while on service on holding temporary post during joining time on same case, substantive holder of the post government guidance whether chief engineer, PW, these officials left their post without a lien while suspension. Permanent post sanction with permanent post without any limit of time there in the periods of its existence or on the period for which particular government servant may hold it. Temporary post is sanctioned for a specified period only. Its period of existence is limited. A tenure post is a permanent post which may not hold an individual for more than a limited time. Personal pay. Additional pay granted to a government servant save him from a loss substantive pay in respect of permanent post other than a tenure post due to revision of pay or any reduction. Resumptive pay. Government servant would be entitled pursuing that he held the post substantively and was performing his duties.